morning, what's up, everybody? Good morning, Premio Yamaha Gensan. So guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Premio Yamaha Gensan. Mag-update po tayo sa new latest model Mio Gravis. Is RP niya guys is 84,900. Down payment 69. Monthly niya guys is 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months. Sa 12 months, 8,195. 24 months, 4,825. And 36 months, 3,725. Rebate po yan siya guys if updated tayo magbayad. Sa specs niya, same pa rin sa old version guys. Yamaha Y Connect pa rin. And then, ang fuel tank capacity nito guys is 4.2 liters. And air cooled, 4-stroke, and 2 valves, single cylinder. Then, V-belt. Meter panel po niya guys is digital. Yan siya guys. Then, electric power socket equipped. Smart motor generator. Is glossy. So, meron siyang glossy. Glossy rin siya ang latest color sa Mio Gravis. Glossy yan siya guys. Ito ang niya. Yan. So, same pa rin. Naka-engrave. Naka-blue core. Then, may stop and start. Then, may charger. I-open natin yung laki. U-box niya guys is malaki pa rin. Yung dito nakalagay ang battery niya guys. May cover yan siya. Yan. If ayaw nyo naman gamitin yung Yamaha Y Connect guys, tanggalin mo lang ito para kung gusto nyo. Then, fuel tank niya guys is dito. Hindi na kayo mag-open sa U-box. So yan siya guys ang specs ni Mio Gravis. And that's it guys. So good morning, and this is Kawatch Boy. Thank you very much for watching. Share and like and subscribe. This is Kawatch Boy.